I have your July 2026 rental and sales market update for Tampa Bay and nationwide. Hi, I'm Michael Bielon with House2home Properties with a real estate market update for July 2026. We manage single family homes in Tampa Bay, and we'll go over the rental market, eviction filings, home sales, and interest rates. We'll start with the rental numbers from the MLS. This will be for houses in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In July 2026, the median rent was $2,795, and the days on market was 29 days. July was a good month to rent a house in Tampa Bay. Compared to the previous month, rents have gone up 3.5% and is taking 2 less days to rent a house in Tampa Bay. And compared to the same time last year, rents have increased 7.5% and is also taking 2 less days to rent a house from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Okay, here are Zillow's rentals numbers. This is for the entire United States. In July 2026, the national median rent was $2,325. Compared to the previous months, rents have increased a bit by 1% nationwide. And compared to the same time last year, rents have decreased 1% nationwide. Okay, in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. You'll see the median rent appears to be rising again. Okay, the next graph shows the days on market for Tampa Bay, which shows continued improvement. Okay, here are the number of eviction filings in Tampa Bay. This is for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. For the second straight month, there were a lot of evictions filed. July had the most evictions we've seen since tracking eviction filings. Okay, in July 2026, the number of evictions filed in Tampa Bay was 1,937. Hillsborough County had 1,395 eviction filings, and Pinellas had 542. That's a 12.8% increase in eviction filings from a month ago and a 17.5% increase in eviction filings from a year ago in Tampa Bay. And I included a graph here showing the eviction activities throughout the months. You could see how eviction filings have been rising in the summer months. Okay, the lease renewal rate for House2home Properties. We are renewing 85% of our leases as of last month. And let's move on from the rental market to the sales market. Now for the sales numbers from the MLS. This is for houses sold in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In July 2026, the median sales price was $445,000. The days on market was 29 days, and the month's supply of inventory increased to 4 months. Compared to the previous month, house prices have decreased 1.7% and is taking 2 days longer to sell a home in Tampa Bay. And compared to the same time last year, house prices have increased 2.3% and is taking 6 days less to sell a home from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Here are Realtor.com's home sales prices. This is for the entire United States. In July 2026, the median home sales list price was $428,950. That's a 2.4% decrease from the previous year. The days on market was 57 days. That's 1 less day to sell a home from the previous year. And the number of new sales listings remained unchanged from the previous year nationwide. And in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. It appears there's not much change going on right now in the sales market. Okay, now for the national 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This is per the St. Louis Fed. In July 2026, the mortgage interest rate was 6.58%. From the month prior, interest rate increased slightly, 0.11%. The previous month's rate was 6.47%. And from last year, the interest rate decreased slightly, 0.14%. The previous year's rate was 6.72%. And in the graph here, you'll see interest rates appear to be remaining stable. That's your market update for July 2026. I hope you found this helpful. If you need property management or solutions to a real estate problem, please reach out to me. My name is Michael Bielon, and I'm always here to help you with your property. Thanks for watching.